Welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. Guys, today I'll be sharing with you how I made this stylish top. The cover picture does not have sleeve and a bold on it. I'm the one that decided to add sleeve on my own and a bold because I don't want the top to be too plain. So guys, you can click the red button under my video to subscribe now. You can like, comment, give this video more watch time. And guys, the bottom of the top, it has curve waistline, so I'm going to also teach you guys how to cut it on your own, so you can turn notification bell to get notified to see my other tutorials. Whenever I upload new tutorial on my channel, you'll be the first to see it and watch and also learn from it. So if this is what you're interested in, please keep on watching this particular tutorial down to the end. Let's get started.
So I folded my fabric, so I will give it the straight line so that we'll start with our measurement proper. So it's up shoulder that we are making. So what I will do now, I will take out from my tape rule by 4" to get my length. So that my length by 25". So we'll just continue to take our length, removing 4" because we are making up shoulder. This I will go when making our up shoulder. So I've done that now. Just row 8. So after that now is to start with our measurement proper. So I will go with my neckline now to measure it. My neckline that I'm having is by 4". So that's my 4" that I'm marking. To bring down the cleavage is 2". And remember, it's a sweetheart neck that we are making. So can you see what I'm doing to get my sweetheart neck? This is how you curve it to get your neckline. So that is it. So I've done that now. So it's to bring down my armhole by 1". So that's my 1" that I'm bringing down and give it a line, a straight line. So that is it. So I've done that now. So now we'll go for our half length. So that's my half length by 15". So our bust measurement is what I'm taking now by 34" and add my sewing allowance 1.5". Coming to the waistline, my waistline measurement is 25". So also add our sewing allowance by 1.5" also. And to the bottom, that is my hip line, is 36" that I'm marking, adding 1.5 also. So you can see that I've just added all my sewing allowance by 1.5. So now I want to connect it from my waistline to my bust line and from my waistline to my hip line, and it will have a curve at the bottom of the top waistline. So you can see what I want to do there now. So I want to mark 2" to curve it. So that's my 2" that I'm marking there now. So always watch my tutorial down to the end, please, and subscribe to my channel. So can you see what I'm doing there now? So I want to curve the down sides of it. Remember, it's 2" that I marked to get my curve. So I've done that now. So just for me now to cut it out, we are making our shoulder with this top. So can you see now? So I want to cut the neckline. So that is the front that we are making first now. So just for us now to use this our front to cut the back. So just continue to watch my channel down to the end, and please, if you have your fabric, you also bring it out to use and cut this particular style. It's a trendy style, especially the waist line is a trendy one. So you just have your fabric so that you can do sew it on your own and achieve this style. So can you see how it is now that the curve has come out? So this is how you also do your own when making your own. So we'll start with our back side of it now. So I will just lay the back and add my zipper allowance on it. So that's my zipper allowance inch that I'm adding 1" to get my zipper allowance. And from my neckline for the back, so to bring out the cleavage is 2" that I'm also marking, but it's a round neck at the back, not V. So it's the front that has that V neckline that we measure at the front side. So the back side is round neck, and just for me now to use the front that will cut to lay at the back piece and cut it out, and that is what you can see me doing. So always subscribe, watch it to the end, and give it a thumbs up. Share it to your friends also, so that they too can also see my video and learn, and also subscribe. So this is the cutting now. So just for us to use what we have cut out for the front and cut the back. So I've done that. So can you see how it is now? So after this now, just for me now to also cut my sleeve. So you can see the way I will also cut my up shoulder sleeve. So I've cut it now, just for me now to open the zipper side of it. Remember, we'll go and stitch it together, iron it so that it will be neat and look good, and also cut the sleeve, also iron it out so that we'll now attach it to the main fabric. And remember, it's 1 yard in that we use to get this our style. 1 yard material that we use to achieve this style. So you can also have your fabric. So it's the sleeve now. So it's a small sleeve. So just for us now to fold it in 2 pieces again, so that we'll cut it out. Very beautiful and very small cup sleeve that we want to cut. So you can see how it is now, but it will form that sleeve that we are making now. So that is my length, 4" that I've marked there now. Just for me now to just curve it a little. It's a small cup sleeve that we are cutting. So it's a very nice sleeve. By the time we finish it, we just for me now to go and run a stitch, iron it out, and attach it to the main body of the top that we are making. And please, the down of this sleeve, the top is curved, so you can see how it is now. So I want you guys to see how I've done this, and I will attach it to the body.
I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, and I believed you learned 1 or 2 things from today's tutorial, and you saw how we're able to cut the curve waistline. That is the main style of this top, the waistline. You saw how we're able to cut it. Please don't forget to click the red button under my video to subscribe now. You can like, comment, share it with your friends. Please ask them to also watch this particular tutorial down to the end. You can give it a thumbs up, give it more watch time so that this channel can grow. And guys, don't forget we made use of 1 yard of this fabric. Is a Duchess material, unique color, is the latest Duchess material in the market, so you can get one for yourself. It's very affordable. And you can also check my other tutorial that I have on my channel. Don't forget to turn notification bell to get notified. Thank you so much.